Man, it's been a long time since we've had a really good walnut log here on the mill. All right, guys, it looks like we hit something on that log, and it's metal. I'm just not sure what it is. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see this or not. Those teeth are gone. I can see it right there. Got a wedge right here. I did that off camera. It was pretty loud in here hammering on that thing. We'll use the log right here and see if I can get in this little gap, wedge this up and break it. There we go, finally. All right, guys, after about 15 minutes of sitting here peeling away these wood fibers that were still attached, I found it. It's an electric fence post insulator. All right, guys, right there it is. And this is nothing new. I've done this 2 or 3 times where I've hit an insulator before, but that's the worst one I've ever hit. All right, guys, I haven't done this in a while. Christmas in February. Here we go. Looky there, friends. This walnut has some curl to it. I was not expecting that. That makes it even more valuable right there.